A flawlessly executed march past, accompanied by stirring marching music, is a true spectacle for both the eyes and ears. And now let's welcome our marchers. Here they come. Ladies and gentlemen, please note that the march past of each house will be judged on some parameters like body carriage, arm and leg action, time and pace, uniformity, synchronization, and teamwork. And there's a trophy awaiting the house judged the best in march past. Let's wait and watch who will walk away with that trophy. May I request our esteemed chief guest, Dr. K. Babu Rao, to receive the salute of the marching contingent. Walking in front is a leader in the making, Apurva Chopane, a student of grade 5. Leading the school is the bright and smart Ayush Rathi, the head boy, and a responsible, methodical and soft-spoken Sunishka Chaudhary, the head girl. Ladies and gentlemen, following them are the very energetic deputy head boy, Hoyajit S, and the graceful deputy head girl, Zoya Ahmed. Next in line, marching proudly are the sports captains, D. Pranav Reddy and Amina Nashra, followed by deputy sports vice captains, Anurag T and Niharika PV, and prefects, Maruti Jaideep Nandi and Khushi Goyal.
Behind them, marching with diligence, are the cultural secretaries Sayyam Jalan and Arshi Majumdar, followed by the deputy cultural secretaries Arush Verma, Joanna Rachel Cherian, and prefects Thakur Dhaval Singh and Lasya. Next in line, we have the upright discipline captains Sri Harsha Malika and Vidushi Sarda, followed by the deputy discipline captains Mohammad Yasin Nawaz Pasha and Dhriti Ji, and discipline prefects Shriyans Raj and Yashaswini. The last row of the student council has the student editors Jason Jordan and Ada Akhtar, and NI reporters Utkash Priyam and Tamasvi Naik, marching proudly.
स्टूडेंट काउंसिल ने संपूर्ण सत्र में अपनी जिम्मेदारियों का बखूबी निभाया है। विद्यालय के संपूर्ण क्रियाकलाप में इनका योगदान सराहनीय है।
And now here come the four houses marching proudly. We are extremely glad to introduce the four houses, knights, samurais, Spartans and Trojans, and their marching contingents. Here comes the first house, Knights, being led by a student, Jasrita of grade 5. Close at her heel, holding the flag aloft, is the house captain of Knights, Gamana Ganapati, who carries out her duties diligently and efficiently. She is being followed by their vice captain, Vibodh Reddy, and ably supported by the prefect, Srishti Shrestha. The motto of the house is marching forward, and the house color yellow signifies brightness and happiness, and that is what we see on the faces of these young and bubbly house members.
ओज, वीरता तथा साहस का परिचायक नाइट सदन का मार्चिंग दस्ता पूरे दमखम के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाता हुआ सलामी मंच की ओर बढ़ रहा है।
Next, lighting up the field are the bright and glittering samurais, and they are being led by Panav Gopal of grade 5. The house captain Rishik Vardhan, who is polite and has a fine disposition, is being followed by the equally spirited vice captain Ridhima Agarwal and prefect Venkat Sri Harshit. The motto of the house is igniting minds, and the house color green represents prosperity and benevolence. To make sincere efforts to live the true feeling of competitive spirit and to be optimistic are some of the tenets of the samurais.
सामुराई हाउस का मार्चिंग दस्ता कुछ यूं सलामी मंच की ओर अग्रसर है, मानो कह रहा हो, तू न थमेगा कभी, तू न थकेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, कर शपथ कर शपथ, कर शपथ।
Close on the heels of the samurai are the Spartans. Leading the house is Maurya Gautam of grade 5. Following him is the house captain Manasvi, majestically marching ahead with zeal and power. She is followed by the vibrant vice captain Renu Sai and prefect Ridan Kumar Dara. The motto of the house is setting new trends, and the house color red indicates bravery and strength, making the Spartans the trend setters.
स्पार्टन्स, जिसका मकसद ही नई पद्धति कायम करना है, आगे बढ़ते हुए मानो कह रहा हो, सोच को अपनी ले जाओ शिखर तक कि उसके आगे सारे सितारे झुक जाए। न बनाओ अपने सफर को किसी कश्ती का मोहताज, चलो इस शान से कि तूफान भी झुक जाए।
And here comes the final house, the Trojans. Ahead of the house is Sai Smita of grade 5. Following her is the able house captain Madhurima with a bright smile and polite conduct. She is followed by the vice captain Ananya Parikshit More and the prefect Reyansh Bharadwaj. The motto of the house is soaring high, and the house color blue conveys tranquility and harmony. Come on Trojans, soar high!
जाबाज परिंदा बाज की तरह आकाश की ऊंचाइयों को छूने की कामना और अपनी पैनी नजर लक्ष्य पर रखना, यही इनकी तमन्ना है। ट्रोजन का मार्चिंग दस्ता अपनी मंजिल की ओर बढ़ते हुए यह संदेश दे रहा है, हर चुनौती संचरित कर, कष्टप्रद चाहे डगर हो, राह में हम ले खोज।
Following the Trojans is a proud DSC band ensemble using instruments like the bass drums, snare and side drums, tambourine, trumpet, cymbals and jingles. That was an incredible performance with perfectly coordinated beats on multiple instruments by the band. The band playing the music, Sare Jahan Se Acha. Bravo, well done. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause.
इस मार्चिंग दस्ता को देखते हुए कुछ पंक्तियां याद आती है। सच हम नहीं, सच तुम नहीं, सच है सतत संघर्ष ही, निरंतर लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ना ही हमारा मकसद है। इस स्टूडेंट काउंसिल ने अपने संपूर्ण सत्र में अपने जिम्मेदारियों को बखूबी निभाया है। तू न थकेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, तू न झुकेगा कभी, कर शपथ, कर शपथ, कर शपथ।
And here now is the proud March Past contingent in front of you, presenting a spectacle of precision and coordination. Indeed, a proud moment for the parents watching their wards.
Besides being spectacular, there is something enigmatically inspiring about a march past and the sense of dignity and pride that the marchers bring to it. Dear parents, your children have made us immensely proud as they etch their names in the history of Delhi School of Excellence, Attapur, by putting their best sporting foot forward in this grand celebration of Invictus. Rise above, roar ahead. Let's put our hands together for the school council and the house councils of Knights, Samurais, Spartans and Trojans.